This is our first major snowstorm, and it is a lot of snow. Hello, hello, hello there, and welcome to Catherine's Garden and Home. It is so good to be here with you today. I hope that all is well with you. Well, on Friday we had a snowstorm here in the New England area, and boy was it beautiful. It fell down and just blanketed the whole area, and we really enjoyed the freshness, the fresh air, and just the sights, and it was just magical, at least for me. Then I went outside and I shoveled the sidewalk and the walkways, and just was so fun just to be in the snow and throwing a couple of snowballs and just enjoying the weather. Well, the next day it was really cold, about in the 20s or so. And when I walked outside, the snow was hard and firm, and everything looked frigid, but yet the beauty was still there in the garden. So come with me as we walk around and take a tour of Catherine's Garden and Home, LWS. And if you have not subscribed to Catherine's Garden and Home, well, I'm inviting you to join us here at Catherine's Garden and Home, where we grow together, because we're going to be looking at the garden and just exploring it and seeing how we want to make it better. So look forward to some more videos which will take us back, and we're going to reflect and see, well, what did the garden look like in the past in 2021, and where are we going now from here forward into 2022 growing season. So stick with us. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for some really fun times here at Catherine's Garden and Home. I'm quite amazed at the amount of snow. I wasn't anticipating so much. It's definitely a blanket. And you can see this thickness there. That's a good 6 inches, I would say, or more. Well, I guess winter's really here. This is what the jewel garden looks like right now. And that is the herbal tea garden. You can see the fig tree. Everything is just blanketed by this massive snow. The first real snowstorm for 2022. January 2022. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden and Home. Well, this is the next day after the snowstorm. And the whole garden is blanketed with beautiful white fluffy snow. It's cold out here. About 19 degrees. But it is beautiful and the sun is shining. Everything is covered up. But I love how it looks. From ground level, everything just looks so beautiful up close. You can see the contrasts, the lines, the sticks. And it makes me very aware of the fact that I need some more winter interests in the garden, that those evergreens really make a difference. I also have the structures here too. And they are impactful in the winter. Even my little froggy there, hanging down with its bell. It didn't look like much in the summertime or when the garden was filled with other interesting things. But now it stands out for sure. My grandson loves it. If he was here, that would be the first thing that he would go to. He would go over there and climb over just to touch that froggy. Well, we had to make a path in the snow here. But no, it makes this side even more beautiful. The shrubs and the zebra grass. It's just more emphasized now with the snow at the base. The birds are still enjoying the berries on the euonymus here. It's very pretty, very Christmassy like. The bird is in the middle of the bush. Did you see it fly out? It's a blue jay. Well, I'm providing habitat for the wildlife. The mound of snow. It's covering the walkway here. And it is cold and crispy right now. I'm amazed at how the euonymus still looks so good in the container here. Well, thank you so much for joining us here at Catherine's Garden and Home. And I hope that you will continue to come and join us here as we grow together and we try different things and do different things to make the garden a very special place, our intentional garden. So come on and join us. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time right here at Catherine's Garden and Home, where we grow, 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 grow together at Catherine's Garden and Home. That's right. Grow, 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 grow together at Catherine's Garden and Home. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, by the way, see you on Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. for our Growing Together live sessions right here at Catherine's Garden and Home. Yeah, that's where we laugh and sing and enjoy ourselves and grow, 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 grow together. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, also, don't forget to check out the website, Catherine's Garden and Home, LWS.weebly, WEEBLY.com. So come and join us and be a part of Catherine's Garden and Home. Now I really mean it. Bye. For more videos, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time right here in Catherine's Garden. Bye.